In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your auction license in Florida. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to go over the entire process and the general steps for you to acquire your auction license in Florida. So, all of this information is available online on either of these websites that I'm going to be displaying on screen. So, to start, the first thing that you will need is a pre-licensing dealer training course. All auction license applicants must complete a 16-hour pre-licensing dealer training course. The course covers various topics like types of dealer licenses, application procedures, sales, laws, and more. You can take this course online or in person through a Florida dealer training school approved by the FLHSMV. The cost of this course is usually $100 to $300. So you will be able to apply using online services or in person. Next, gather the required documents. You will need proof of identification, so a valid driver's license or state-issued ID. You will need proof of business location, so a lease agreement or proof of ownership for your auction facility. Fingerprints, so electronic fingerprints from an FDLE-approved live scan provider. A surety bond, which is to secure an auto auction surety bond to protect against financial losses. You will need to obtain adequate liability insurance coverage for your auction business. Business registration, so register your business with the Florida Division of Corporations and obtain a federal employer identification number from the IRS and a sales tax number from the Florida Department of Revenue. With all of this done, complete the application process. So fill out the Florida Auto Auction license application, pay the application fee, and submit the completed application and all the required documents to your FLHSMV office. You will be able to visit the website at flhsmv.gov, and once this is done, you should be able to get your license. For additional considerations, if you plan to conduct auctions yourself, you will need a separate Florida Auctioneer's license. This requires meeting specific educational and experience requirements, so look for an auctioneer's license instead. The FLHSMV may conduct a background check as part of the licensing process. So make sure to visit all of these helpful resources and you will be able to get this done. Be aware that the requirements may change, so the best course of action is to consult the official FLHSMV website or contact your regional office for the most up-to-date information regarding this whole procedure. But as long as you visit any of these pages, you will be able to get the form completed. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your auctions license in Florida. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.